Hey everyone, welcome to the yard. John's been on a huge mission this week, polishing some stainless steel. We have a keel to repair, and there's always rudders getting a ding. We're moving the exhaust outlets on a catamaran, and the team get prepped and ready for a huge spray job in the paint shed. And Wayne has glassed the main structural beam back in on the catamaran. Damaged bulkhead is in, and there's always a sanding job. The floors are prepped on the ferry for carpet, and the upholstered panels are going in. The boys have a bit of fun with a giant roll of carpet. The carpet is cut to size and then laid out. It's then glued down and all the edges are trimmed. We'll have to wait till next week to see the finished product.